Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If and when a fridge compressor fails, the pricing can be between $500 to even $1,000 to fix. The same goes for if the refrigerator's seal system fails the coolant circulation. All that being said, if your refrigerator is running warm, it does not always mean that you'll have to spend this much to repair.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
As a rule, Consumer Reports recommends replacing a product if the cost of the repair is more than half the price of buying a new one. You can make your own call by checking our updated repair or replace timelines.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The most common cause for this condition is a problem with the defrost system. If the refrigerator freezer is cold but the refrigerator is warm, the evaporator fan motor might have failed. If the freezer is cold but refrigerator is warm, the air damper control might be stuck closed or broken.
Take our lead.
Built-in refrigerators are almost always worth repairing. Not only are they less expensive to repair but typically have a longer lifespan anyways. Side-by-side refrigerators should be repaired within a 5-year window and considered for replacement after that.
Take our lead.
Hold the relay in your hand, and give it a bit of a shake. If it rattles, this relay is bad and can be replaced for about $20. If you shake the relay but there is no rattle, chances are fairly good that the relay is good, but your compressor is bad.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If you only need a basic refrigerator, something completely new may be better for your budget, but if you need features like a water or ice dispenser, replacing the compressor is worth considering, especially if your unit is relatively new.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Approximately 13 years. While the lifespan varies based on refrigerator type, consumers can usually count on their fridge to last approximately 13 years. Some refrigerators, including the increasingly rare single-door units, usually last up to 20 years.
Take our lead.
5 signs you need to replace your refrigerator. There's condensation, or frost. If your fridge is sweating, something's likely not right. The motor's constantly running, and you can hear it. Your fridge's motor shouldn't always be running at max speed. It's hot to the touch. Your food's going bad way faster than it should. It's just old, and really inefficient.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
What's the cost to replace a refrigerator compressor? The cost to replace one is between $300 and $550, dependent on the cost of the item and labor. If a compressor has a faulty relay, switch repairs can cost roughly about $50 to $200.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.